up, guys? What's up, Fire Your Trainer? Welcome to week 12's video. Week 12, oh my God. 1 more month, 4 more weeks. That's it. That's all I have left to diet. So this week was my birthday. I turned 35 this week. Yay! I made it. I was queen of the world. Queen of the motherfucking world, because I'm 35. So that's me. Anyway, that aside. Everyone knows how I feel about birthdays. Everyone knows how I feel about holidays at this point. You just fucking let it go. Let it go! Let it go! Just enjoy yourself. So I did. I made an angel food cake. I literally just made an angel food cake with Dream Whip frosting, and it was banging. And I had like probably 8 slices of it myself. The night of my birthday, I had Chinese food. It was so good. That is probably my go-to cheat meal every time is chicken teriyaki skewers, steamed dumplings, steamed chicken and mixed vegetables with sweet and sour sauce on the side, and then just a little bit of steamed white rice. It sounds really boring, but it's delicious. I also ate probably 3/4 of a 5-inch round. I'll call it a personal size cake, buttercream. It was amazing. God, I just ate so much shit. I know, I'm dieting. I'm sorry, dieting. Really serious stuff, but birthdays and holidays for me, they just don't count. That's it. That's the summation of it. This week's training was a little rough. I strained a muscle in my bicep or my pec minor, so I've taken it easy the last few days. It just so happened to align with my birthday, you know. How it goes. So I've been on the stairs, I've done elliptical, I've done some walking on the treadmill. I did a little bit of abduction, adduction in calves this week, and I've just basically taken it a little easier. I felt like it was about time to give my body a rest anyway, because my body's just been kind of sore for the last, I don't know, what are we at, 3 months? Yeah, I've been sore for the last 3 months straight, so it's about time for a little rest. I will be getting back to it tomorrow, and throughout the remainder of this 4 weeks, I have 1 full round of another series of programming to go. I think I'm actually going to regress to the beginner strength training program again. I don't want to bump up to the intermediate strength training program or the veterans program yet because I'm in a caloric deficit and I don't want to push my body that hard. I want to actually taper it back just a little bit so that I can stay more on top of my recovery and more on top of my diet. So I may even taper back a little bit further from there, and I really, really want to nail this next 4 weeks. I've seen a lot of great changes and I want to keep them going. And especially now that my birthday's over, I really have to double time it because I did do some damage, I'm not gonna lie. So good though. My mindset went kind of in the poopy poops a little bit because I did have some injury issue, whatever, discomfort going on, and I hate having to slow down. I just hate it. I want to go full steam 110% of the time, and that's just not how it works. But for whatever reason, I just throw a temper tantrum every time I have a little setback. Go figure. Anyway, so that's it for me for week 12. This is a super duper short check-in video. I will catch you guys next week for week 13. The before and after pics will be coming at the very, very end, so stay tuned for that. I did not weigh in as much this week because I just didn't find it necessary, given that my birthday happened, sodium, calories, you name it. But I did still log. I logged my food and I ate 3,400 calories on my birthday, so I'm not sure whether to be impressed with myself or disgusted, but whatever. Happy birthday to me. All right, guys, I will see you on week 13.